Hey, what's up, you guys? We're back. Happy Sunday to you. And real quick, we're going to get you spun around. We just wrapped up with this bathroom. Matter of fact, we got another bathroom in this house. We got a custom walk in shower down here in their master. And this is where the 6 epoxy countertops are going. So check this out. Here we go. Come on in. Boom. So this vanity, man, the faucet, the hardware, everything is trimmed out like we were telling you all. We've already had all this tested, everything done. It all works great. I've got a little silicone back here, just a smidge on that I just applied. So I don't want to turn any water on right now to show you. This little faucet's really cool. It's a nice one. I'm going to turn it on real low because this sprayer is really good. So just a little bit of pressure there just to show you what it does. And then of course the push button. But the light was new, and again, this tile, man, the homeowner's already seen everything. She absolutely loves it. She's going to be on video, on camera here soon before we actually get out of the house entirely. We still got probably another 4 weeks or so left in this job. Whole nother bathroom to do, and then the kitchen countertops and bathroom countertops downstairs and everything like that. But with everything put into play now and everything dry, it's all trimmed out beautifully. This was, again, this is just real clean and just real elegant, updated looking. We love it. We did break the toilet seat on accident, so no biggie there. We're going to pick one up, but we just wanted to give you the guided tour. We even went in there and did the closet up real nice just to match everything. And believe it or not, we have the doorknobs. We're going to switch out these hinges and stuff. We just haven't got to that just yet. But all in all, we're happy. They're happy. And we can't thank y'all enough for being a part of everything as usual. Now, I want to tell on me and Tom real quick, because I bet you a lot of people have this same struggle or this same problem. Tom, come in here just a little bit and stop right there. What I want to show you, remember back when we did the video of plumbing the walls, okay? In plumbing our shower walls, this one and this one especially, in plumbing these, next to it was the drywall, which clearly after these got plumbed, the go board and all that went up. The drywall that was still left here and over here on this wall, you could see our go board, and then you could see the drywall. Over here was a 1/2 inch where the wall itself was back further a 1/2 inch than our tile wall. Over here was about 3/8. It was just a little bit shorter. But what I want to point out and show you, this is what we did to overcome this, because you got to cut it off somewhere. A real quick, simple answer would be to gut all the drywall on this side, re-stud every one of these to plumb, and then of course everything would go back together like it's supposed to. But it's very expensive. It's a lot more time consuming, and you're going to create several challenges by doing that, meaning the door frame is on this wall. So anytime we come out that far, it wouldn't work with that. We got electric outlets over here and switches. Over here, we had all the plumbing underneath. More importantly here, we had the toilet sitting here. More electric, so it becomes a challenge. And we asked the homeowners on the front side, do they want all that done? We can price it that way. And they said, if you can just make this look good, without having to do all this work over here, we would greatly appreciate it. So this is what me and Tom were able to achieve. And I'm going to tell you how we did it. When this went up and we could actually see the dividing lines, I'm just being drastic so you can see what I'm saying. The first stud was right about here. We went to the very next stud, 16 inches over further, so about right here. we cut right there. This stud right here, where this one was at and this one was at, we split this one in the middle. So as we put the drywall back on, we were hooking tight on the original, and then walking this out halfway and all the way here allowed us to float that right over. When all that was secured, then multiple skim coats, starting out small and flaring out as we go, multiple skim coats over this area. If you look there now, I'm telling honest, but realistically, if I'd have never said nothing to you, I doubt you'd ever seen it. It's nothing you're going to see in person. It's nothing that's going to catch your eye or draw your eye to it. But that was the best solution that we could come up with to save them some money, to save some work, and to still make this look beautiful without having to do all that additional stuff and charge them a lot of extra money. So none of that was our fault, but it wasn't their fault either. So when you kind of get in the remodeling, some situations, you know, you're trying to find the best way to go about it without it, you know, being wrong or rigged or, you know, anything like that. So this was the best way. We've been in this boat before, and there's a lot of stuff we run across that was not our fault. They had been done by somebody else, but we got to try to make it right the best we can. So we hope this helps you at home, and appreciate everybody for tuning in, and we'll see y'all back real soon on the next one.